Most people think Instagram money is all about going viral or having millions of followers. But that's not what's happening in 2026. There are people making real money on Instagram every single day, and most of them are using methods you almost never see in how to make money online videos. No hype, no luck, no famous influencer status. Just simple systems that turn attention into income. And in this video, I'm going to break down 10 hidden ways people are making money on Instagram right now, even if they are starting from zero. Stay to the end, because some of these methods are so simple you'll wonder why nobody told you earlier. And the last one is one of the fastest ways to start making money without even showing your face. Let's get into it. Number 1 is faceless niche pages. These are Instagram pages that don't show any face, any personal identity, or any lifestyle branding. They focus on one specific topic like motivation, fitness, finance, luxury lifestyle, business facts, or even relationship advice. At first glance, it looks like they are just posting content for fun. But behind the scenes, these pages are building something powerful. Attention. And in 2026, attention is the most valuable currency on Instagram. These pages grow by posting consistent content that people can't stop watching. Short videos, relatable quotes, viral clips, and emotional content. Once the page starts getting traction, the monetization begins. They earn through shoutouts, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and sometimes even selling the page itself. Some of these pages don't have a personal brand behind them at all. Just systems. Just content. Just money flowing in quietly every day. Number 2 is affiliate micro-content. This is one of the most misunderstood methods on Instagram. Most beginners think affiliate marketing is about dropping links everywhere and waiting for sales. But that approach rarely works. The people making real money are doing something very different. They create short, emotional, problem-solving content. Then they introduce a product as the solution in a very natural way. Not sleazy. Not aggressive. Just storytelling. For example, instead of saying buy this skincare product, they say something like, "This is what helped me clear my skin in just a few days after struggling for months." That small shift changes everything. Because now you are not selling. You are sharing an experience. And people trust experiences more than advertisements. Number 3 is brand shoutout pages. This is where people turn Instagram pages into attention assets. Once a page grows, even if it's small, other creators and businesses start noticing it. And they are willing to pay for exposure. This could be a fitness page promoting workout apps, a finance page promoting trading tools, a meme page promoting entertainment content, or a lifestyle page promoting fashion brands. The page owner doesn't need to create a product. They simply sell access to their audience. And the more targeted the audience, the higher the value. This is why some small pages with just a few thousand followers still make consistent income. Because brands don't care about size. They care about attention quality. Number 4 is digital product pages. This is where creators sell information-based products like ebooks, guides, templates, checklists, or mini courses. And the interesting part is that they don't need a huge audience. They only need the right audience. People who have a specific problem and are actively looking for a solution. For example, weight loss guides, business starter guides, content creation templates, or budgeting systems. Once trust is built, digital products become one of the easiest ways to scale income. Because there are no shipping costs, no inventory, and no physical limitations. One product can sell hundreds or even thousands of times. Number 5 is DM automation sales. This method has quietly become one of the most powerful systems in 2026. Instead of sending people to external websites, creators bring them into Instagram direct messages. Then automated responses guide them through a conversation. It feels personal, even though it's fully automated. This method works because people trust conversations more than landing pages. Inside DMs, objections are handled in real time. Questions are answered immediately. And trust is built faster. That's why conversion rates are often much higher than traditional affiliate links. Number 6 is repost and curation pages. This is where people grow accounts by reposting viral content within a specific niche. They don't create everything from scratch. They collect and organize content that already performs well. Motivation clips, business insights, fitness transformations, luxury lifestyle videos. Then they post consistently to build an audience. Once the page grows, monetization starts through shoutouts, affiliate links, or brand deals. The key here is niche focus. Because Instagram rewards pages that feel like a destination for one specific type of content. Number 7 is local business Instagram flipping. This is one of the most underrated opportunities on Instagram right now. People build or improve Instagram pages for local businesses like salons, gyms, restaurants, barbershops, and shops. Then they either manage the page monthly or sell it outright. Most small businesses don't understand Instagram marketing properly. So even small improvements in content quality can lead to more customers. And business owners are willing to pay for that. Because to them, Instagram is not about likes. It is about real customers walking through the door. Number 8 is UGC content creation. UGC stands for user-generated content. This is where creators make content for brands without needing a large audience. They don't post on their own page. Instead, they create videos or photos for companies to use in ads or social media. Brands love this because it feels more natural and less like advertising. And creators get paid per video or per project. Some people are quietly making consistent income just from filming simple product videos from home. Number 9 is theme page flipping. This is similar to business flipping, but on Instagram. People build pages in niches like motivation, finance, or fitness. They grow them to a certain level. Then they sell the entire page to buyers who want instant audience access. The value of a page depends on engagement, niche, and consistency. Some pages sell for hundreds, others for thousands. It depends on how strong the audience is. And finally, number 10 is personal branding monetization. This is where individuals build authority around a specific skill or topic. It could be fitness coaching, business advice, content creation, or even lifestyle influence. Once trust is built, they monetize through coaching, consulting, courses, or sponsorships. This is one of the most powerful long-term strategies on Instagram. Because unlike faceless pages, personal brands compound over time. Now here's the truth most people miss. None of these methods require you to be famous. None of them require perfect content. And none of them require years of experience. What they require is consistency, focus, and understanding how attention turns into income. Because in 2026, Instagram is no longer just a social media app. It is a full marketplace. And the people winning right now are not the most talented. They are the most strategic. Subscribe for more contents on finance. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead,